everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today I'm going to show you how to change Paybis account's password using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. The first thing to do is to tap open your Paybis wallet application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, this will be the main home page for Paybis. If you want to change your Paybis account's password since you are concerned about the security of your wallet, from the main home page of Paybis wallet, tap on the menu button at the upper right hand corner. You'll end up in this expanded menu. Scroll down to Profile Setting tab and give it a tap. In your profile page, you'll be able to see several options. Right under Security, tap the Change Password link and you'll get to choose a new password for your account. Type in the current password that you are using on your Paybis account in the first text box. Now, head over to the next field and type in the new password that you want to change to. Finally, retype in the password on the last text box and make sure that your password matches with the new password text box. Finally, tap on Save Changes, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Paybis account. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just created. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.